This is Multimodal AI. It understands text, images, audio, and video, all together. True intelligence connected.
Imagine an AI that doesn't just read, it can see, hear, watch, and understand everything at once. This is multimodal AI, the next generation of artificial intelligence. Instead of understanding only one type of information, multimodal AI combines multiple sources together.
What's wrong with it?
It understands both your words and your picture. In healthcare, AI combines medical images and patient conversations for better diagnosis. Students simply show their homework, ask questions, and receive personalized explanations. It can see foreign text, translate it, and even speak the answer. Factories combine video, sound, and sensor data for predictive maintenance. Autonomous vehicles constantly understand multiple types of information together. Modern security systems use multimodal AI for smarter monitoring. Shopping becomes smarter when AI understands images and conversations together. The more information AI connects, the better it understands. Future classrooms will have AI teachers that truly understand every student. Your future home will think using every source of information. Multimodal AI is becoming the foundation of tomorrow's intelligent systems. The future belongs to AI that can understand the world just like humans. If you enjoyed learning about multimodal AI, like, share, and subscribe to Educrawl for more amazing AI technologies.
Welcome to a brand new world of learning, where quality education reaches everyone, everywhere. This is Educrawl.